If you've forgotten your Lyft password or want to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Lyft app or website. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device or go to the Lyft website on your computer. Make sure you're on the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Lyft account. Fill in the required information and submit it. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your information, check your email inbox or SMS for a password reset link or code from Lyft. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link or enter the code provided in the email or SMS. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Once you've reset your password, you can log into your Lyft account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for further assistance.